Hi friends, in this session I am going to explain about how to get data from multiple sources to Power BI desktop. If you are watching first time my video, please subscribe and like my channel and also share with your friends. Why? Because in this channel I am providing complete training of Power BI from beginning level to advanced level and also interview questions, real-time project explanation with scenario based monthly updates, much more updated in this channel. If you follow my classes from class 1, you will definitely will get the job and also easy to survive in real-time environment. So in this video, we'll deep dive about how to get data. Okay. So before going to get data, I have to clear for you what is connectors and what is connections in the Power BI. So let me go to Power BI desktop. I will show you practically. So if you click here, you can get like this. If you click here more, don't worry, it is processing. See, you can see like this window. All means all, mixed everything, file, database, Power Platform, Azure, online service, everything it will be here. If you select here file, only files you can upload. If you select database, only databases, through database you can get the data. Okay. If you select Power Platform, you can get data from the Power BI service. Azure, you can connect to the Azure data sources and you can get that data. Online service, so Google Analytics, whatever, Salesforce, Adobe Analytics, whatever the analyticals, you can get the data. So other means web, SharePoint, OData, so other data sources. So if you observe database here, SQL Server, Access database, SQL Server, Analysis Server database, all these are connectors. Okay. So if you talk about connections, there are three types of connections. We can get data through import method. Directly we can connect to the connection to the server and we can write the query. Nothing but direct query and a live connection. For example, if your data in the cloud, so for example, if your data in SharePoint or Google Drive or OneDrive, then it is called live connection. Okay, don't worry, I will show you now. So how to get data? For example, your source is local, so then how to get data? Then it won't ask anything, import, direct and live, okay, because your source is local. That is the funda. Now you can directly here also you can get, or here also you can get. Now I'm taking Excel. So only Excel files it will display. Now I will take one simple table, sample superstore, open. So it won't ask anything, directly it will import into the Power BI desktop. You need to just select the tables in the data set. So only 3 tables we have. Just click on load. Tables are loaded into the BI desktop. While loading the tables, it will automatically detect the relationships. We don't need to do anything. Yes, my tables are loaded now. Now I want to get CSV files. So my source is local, right? Text or CSV. I will take one CSV. Let me click on open. Load. Number of rows also it will take. Okay. If anything errors, it will show the errors also. Just close it. We don't right now. Now I want to show how to get a text file, right? Notepad. Okay. Get data, text or CSV, select text, open. Click on load. So my table is loaded into the Power BI desktop. Now from web I will show. So if you have data in web, how to get the data. So I want to take popular data set, employee and department table with the data. So in this web page we have 3 tables. Just copy this URL, Ctrl C, come to Power BI desktop, get data. There is an option web. Enter. Okay. Connecting to the web, and it will display the whatever the tables available here. Employee table, department table, salary grade table. Go to the web page. See here, employee table, department table, and salary grade table. Okay. Just click on load. Tables are loading with the relationship. So in this way you can get the data. Now how to get data from the SQL server. So let me open my SQL server. Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Just click on open. So this is the server type, this is the server name. Just copy the server name. Server name is mandatory. So you can connect from here, otherwise here also. Okay. So server name is mandatory, database is optional. Why? Because if you give the server name, it will show the whatever available databases in that server. So if you know the database, you can directly give the database. That it's optional. Okay. So just click on server and paste here. So I need to check the gap. No gap. Okay. Here data connectivity mode is import. So I will show direct query later. Now let me click on OK. So if anybody watching first time my video, please check class number 3 and 4. Why? Because in class number 3 and 4 I clearly explain how to download AdventureWorks DataWorks and Northwind DataWorks. Why? Because in this real-time environment also we have the data like this only, dimension tables and fact tables. Okay. Don't worry. Now I am taking simple tables and dim data I am taking. Just click on load. This is import method. Okay. While you connect server, it is asking direct mode, right? But if you are taking data from the local source, then it won't ask anything. Now I want to show how to get data from the Google Analytics. First of all, let me explain what is Google Analytics. Google Analytics is nothing but, for example, if you have a website, so you want to know how many people visiting to your website, from which location, from what are the, how much time they are spending on your site, and what is their age, what is the intention, from which keywords they are using, each and everything. If you want to track, then Google will give the code. Okay, that code you need to paste at yourself in your website. See here, analytics. So this is my Google Analytics code. So this is my website. So I have created Google Analytics to this my website so that I have access, so that I can show you. So now Google Analytics account I want to show. Let me go to Google Analytics. Additionally, I'm giving the knowledge to you. Okay, don't worry, it will load. Now see here, real time is nothing but right now who is visiting the website. So one person is visiting from the desktop, that is me, from Bangalore. See here, from which location, from which traffic source. So each and everything it will track and it will give audience. So from which demography they are using. So each and everything we can see here. Users, new users, sessions, number of sessions per user. So average duration. Like this it will give entire report. So for example, if you want to get data from the Google Analytics, so such kind of scenario it will helpful for you. So I have logins, that's the reason why I showed you. Okay, don't worry. Now get data. I will show where it is now. More. Online services. Google Analytics. Connect. Continue. So these are the website created by me. Reach ISO, all website data. Now you select whatever the data you want. So I want to measure how many sessions they visited. I want average duration. If you click here, it will display the preview here. I just want all sessions. Okay, and come to time. I want to select date. Year also I want. So like this you will get data. Just click on load. Very simple. By using connectors we can easily connect to any database and we can get data in import or direct or live. Okay. So this is import method. Now I want to show how to use direct query mode. Okay. So let me connect to, in recent sources it will be available, my server name. So let me connect to my SQL server. AdventureWorks. I want to take some reseller sales. Enough, one table is enough. Load. Select direct query. Okay. Okay. Creating connections now. See observe the difference. Okay, my table is loaded, factory seller sales. Now I want to show, so by writing the query also we can import. How to do that? Now SQL server, give the server name Adventure works. If you know the database, then only you will give here DW 2017. If you give wrong, then it won't work. Then write here the query. Select star means everything. Star from fact internet sales. I want complete data from the fact internet sales table from the Adventure DataWorks database. Just click on OK. Load. Rating connections, query 1. See here, by writing the direct query also, we can import into the Power BI desktop. So in this way, we can connect to the multiple sources and we can get data into the Power BI desktop. So thank you for watching my video. If anybody wants special training, you can directly contact to this email ID or this phone number. Thank you for watching my video.